Welcome back, guys. Nick here.
And I'm Erika, and today we're going to show you how to decorate your very own pumpkin with matte adhesive vinyl.
So can we Cricut?
Yes, we can.
Let's go.
So starting out in the Cricut design space, I'm just taking an older image that I have from my pop socket design and just making it bigger, so about 6.5 inches. So we're going to make it and cut it, and it doesn't really matter if the mirror is on or off here. But since Nick is saying that it does matter, I guess it does whether you want Vader's head to face left or right. Anywho, after cutting, we're going to get it ready for the transfer tape. Go ahead and slap that thing on. Smooth it all out. Get your pumpkin ready, and now we're just going to look for the flattest side possible. And just seeing here if it fits, and it looks like it does. So, here we go. So as you can see, this was pretty difficult getting on the pumpkin because the surface wasn't very flat. So it took a lot of reworking here and there. So probably not my best work, but I think this works as a temporary design before carving the pumpkin. So there you have it, Vader vinyl on a pumpkin.
We'll see you next time, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.